One of the hardest things for me about working on digital media projects, whether it be a video or an audio podcast or whatever, is when you need that perfect sound effect that's going to be like the icing on your cake for your project. And then either I can't find the right sound or I try to record one myself and the quality isn't that great. There's a number of hurdles that get in the way. And a possible solution that can help you out is Adobe Firefly. Now, if you have an Adobe Creative Cloud account, you can use this, and you do have some credits that you get with your Creative Cloud account. And a certain amount of generated content batches are going to cost you a certain amount of credits. Use Adobe. That is certainly a choice using microtransactions in your software that we're already paying a monthly fee for. But aside from all that, it is a pretty cool thing to play around with. So I'm just going to show you how you can use this with your projects. So in Adobe Firefly, I'm going to go here to text to sound effects to beta, and I'm going to click new. Now on Pixabay, I found a video of a frog. I'm going to click on this and bring it in, and you can see it's on here. If I play this, you can see there's no audio to it. It's just this frog croaking. And then right at the end, it jumps off the screen. I want to make it have a little more liveliness to it. So I'm going to want this frog to actually have a croaking sound. And then I want it to have a jumping sound at the end. So I'm going to go here to the prompt and I'm going to type in deep frog croaking. And then you can either record your voice from a device or from a microphone. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. All right. So that is one time through. You see, you record it. It gives you a little prompt of a countdown when it's going to start recording. And then it has our little voice on here. The next thing we want to do is go down here to generate. And we have 4 variations we can choose from. So let's see what the first one sounds like. That one's not too bad. Let's hear the second. A little higher pitch than what I'd want. Not bad. And variation 4. I think I still like the first one best. I do like that one. All right, so once I have one of them that I like, then I'm going to choose the 3 dots and I'm going to download, and it's going to put that wave file in my downloads folder. Right before the frog jumps off the screen, I want to add another sound effect to that one. So let's go cartoon boing spring. And let's see if we can do this one. I know that happens right here towards the end, about the maybe 7.5 second mark. Let's try it out with record voice. Boing. All right, now we're going to go here to generate and hear what we come up with. Let's try the first one. That's not bad. Let's look at variation 2. I like that one even a little bit more. Let's try 3. I like 3 the most. Gets better each time. Variation 4. Actually, I think I'm going to go with 4. All right, so I'm going to download that one. It's going to put it into my download file. And now I'm going to go into Premiere, bring in these 3 files and open. Then we can bring in our frog. And then I will bring in my frog croak audio. And the nice thing is I started recording that right in time with the video, so I know those are going to match up, and then I'll bring down the boing sound. And let's hear the final product. Perfect. Then I can export that and I have my own video with custom audio that works great for it. And it was all found in one easy to find place. Let me know what you think of this text to sound effect feature in Adobe Firefly. Let me know if there's other tutorial ideas that you have in mind. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I sure hope we catch you on another video down the road.